I think the office is satisfied with the bills that were passed during the 2011 legislative session. We worked closely with the governor's office and the legislature on a number of important issues. One relating to property insurance. We were proponents of Senate Bill 408 and thank Chairman Richter and the governor's office for championing that. We also worked on some legislation that will allow for an expansion of some international business opportunities for insurance companies in Florida. We also worked on some legislation that will hopefully save the state close to $20 million in lost premium tax revenue from surplus lines companies. And so we felt like those were successes. We were focused on trying to make the regulatory environment in our state friendly for insurance companies and keeping in mind that consumer protection is an important aspect of what we do as well. And that's why we thought that Senate Bill 408 was a good piece of legislation, because it kept both of those goals in mind. In addition, we also appreciated the opportunity to attempt to attract new capital and new businesses to Florida in the form of international insurance markets, and we think that we were successful at doing that as well. Well, one thing that we're working on closely looking at closely for the 2012 session relates to personal injury protection insurance, or PIP insurance. We've run into a situation in Florida where we've got a lot of auto rates going up, and people are starting to notice that those rates are going up. We're working closely with the Office of Chief Financial Officer Jeff Atwater to see if we can come to an agreement on some legislation that will help control some of those costs and ratchet down some of the fraud that we're seeing in that particular sector of the insurance market.